Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in discount chapter. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. Friends, say cost price 100 rupees. Cost price 100 rupees. Then sold price becomes 112 because there is a gain of 12%. So sold price 112. Friends, this sold price 112 is after a discount of 20%. That means this sold price 112 is equal to 80% of the market price. So friends, 80% of the market price. 80% of the market price is equal to 112. 0 gets cancelled, 8 14s. So friends, market price is equal to 14 times 140. So the shopkeeper should mark his goods. The shopkeeper should mark his goods 40% above the cost price. Friends, cost price 100, market price 140. So the shopkeeper should mark his goods 40% above the cost price. So your answer is 40%, friends. Thank you.